For today's science lesson, we want to first dive into the chemistry behind formaldehyde, and then dive into the health implications if someone is exposed to this molecule, specifically regarding cancer. And this is the molecular structure of formaldehyde, and it's actually the simplest aldehyde with an abbreviation of CH2O. It's also a volatile organic compound because it's a gas at room temperature, and this means it's also flammable. It's used in a lot of industrial processes, specifically for wood making, and it's also used for preserving tissues, but that's in its liquid form known as formalin. Now, if we look at the health risks if someone is exposed to formaldehyde, that can be skin irritations, respiratory issues, as well as cancers. And let's dive into the mechanism of how cancer may occur if one is exposed to formaldehyde. Since formaldehyde is volatile and in the air, it can be easily inhaled. This exposes one's lungs and bloodstream to this molecule. When formaldehyde is inside the body, it's also quite small, meaning it can bypass tissues and cells, easily attaching to proteins or our DNA, forming these things called adducts. This increases genomic instability as well as mutations. However, the body does have ways to get rid of these proteins or fix DNA damage. However, with prolonged exposure of formaldehyde, this actually exposes individuals to an environment where cancers can establish and then continue to grow and divide. So if you have another molecule that you want to learn more about, drop a comment on this video, and also let me know what you learned about formaldehyde or what you may have already known in the past. Thank you for watching my latest video, and if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.